people. Puss
Wow.
father molested her. I heard. She said, I don't know, her father molested her, and she even said she like it, and we want to know how she feel and blah blah blah. So in that comment,
Wow.
that Miss Blinga, you see Miss Blinga, like if everybody say, like we are one down say, oh where the blood clot are going. So me have to catch
Mm.
myself, me have to say, Karen, wake up. So me have to check. Me say, wait, like me, who's nine? I say no, but this wrong. So me typing in the comment now with everybody I type and I say, no, bring that, come over here. So me I say, why you never
Mm.
ask Puss that for the 4 years when you cock up on the pussy and Puss a friend? Why you never
Mm.
ask Puss that? She, so Miss Blinger said to her, say, that is very disrespectful and you pass
Yeah,
your,
that's feeling.
and you shouldn't come over here with that. I don't like
Mm-hmm.
that. So she said, well, that's your opinion and everybody has an opinion. What you gonna do about it? So I said, no man.
Yeah,
I said, no man, Keiko, and this a roach, a cockroach, and if you get slapped down with a bag of bacon, I said, wait there. I press Miss Blood Clot, bling alive, I say, Munche. And I
yeah.
rub out and dust out dirty drunk lining catches Keiko,
There's a
you know.
place and there's a place and time for everything in it. And
You know,
obviously
when
put
time you
rub
little,
them
remember when you little like their blood
and then
clot,
rub
Jamaica
post.
Sunday morning time, you clean up the house and you knock out the dust out of the blood clot mat. And some me
Mm-hmm.
dust out blood clot drunk Keiko, you know. And stinking blood clot crutches, peas, whatever your name, and rotten dirty blood clot Louis 219. All who want come talk about, oh, you need to call the army base. Like the blood clot United States Army have how much things to do and them go find Karen to find out say because she rub out dirty cake. I don't think the army have time with it. Una stink like a blood clot done down. I don't think anybody afraid of in America. Me,
A big
yeah,
foot up that page there.
yes.
My thing is, yeah, that is just so annoying.
And I
Like,
never, me not try to start, let me talk again, me not try to start
go
no
on, baby.
problem with nobody, but this morning, Keiko need to be rubbed out. Blood clot, Judas Iscariot, blood clot, Keiko. Yeah, Judas Iscariot in a 2022, like my blood clot say, I mean, I hold my mouth a grung. Anybody want chat? Me will answer on the blood clot, I'm not afraid. You and Puss had an issue. Whatever the issue
Mm-hmm.
is, you were Puss best blood clot friend for 40 blood clot years. Go and solve it off the internet. Don't come on the internet with
No,
it. If
even
you
if
have
I
a
solve
problem.
it, no. Let's be fair. Even if I solve it on the internet, off the internet, and I do solve it on the internet, it wasn't the place. The women's platform was she inviting people that's feeling vulnerable to come and share their story. You can't do that now. You know what? People are gonna feel some
Right.
type of way about that situation because people that wants to come and share are gonna think, oh, so you know, share me to let me come and share. That's why people don't want to come on them real page. Now, fair enough, as I say, post rub them and them rub post. But you're going to took your own life. Hello, I'm on my life.
Yeah, that had
Hello,
nothing
I'm
to
on my
do
life.
with the.
Hello. Better
Yes,
to took our own life and
but
rub position and
much me
baba.
hear what you said to, but I'm just saying, if she has a problem with Puss, go and call Puss. Come in, she know Puss number.
She not have
Talk
a
to
call
Puss
post.
off
She
the
have a rub
air.
post. No, she not have a talk. She not have to hear. Reach past that now. It past, let's be frank and be fair. It past talking in no phone or nothing like that. They're not gonna talk on the no phone. They're not gonna she's strong and push strong. The two of them now go talk, it done
No,
gone far
Keiko no
already.
strong. Keiko a blood clot
Listen up,
Iscariot.
listen
Keiko a
up.
blood clot
You know what
snail
I
and
mean. You
snake
know what I
and
mean.
blood
Strong
clot
headed.
white belly
You
blood
know
clot
what I
rat.
mean.
Move
Strong
our
headed.
blood
Both of them
clot.
strong headed. So nobody's not gonna back down. No more not gonna do a custom on the phone. But my thing is she went over Ashanti, she's come on live with Puss already and rubbing the two of them across one another. That never needed. You understand? That just violated somebody else's platform for no reason and dragging
Ex-
things to other places where people are involved. And that is how
right
people
there,
get
so.
involved. And this is all Miss Bling now. Coming, I know where I go. I'm just hear what you are saying. And just a comment. You understand?
And the exit,
And
me not
the
add
woman
to
is
it, me
gonna
not
vex.
minus
The
from
woman
it.
are vex. The woman are gonna vex with a vex too. Because this is nothing to do with your thing. This is something a very sensitive issue about sexual. You know, people being molested and people being raped
Yes,
and all these things. So it's not the place and time. So people that are when feel vulnerable
exactly.
and you know, them feelings, you got and bash them too and make them feel them feelings.
All me I
Like,
say
come on,
is,
man. There's a time and place for
where there,
everything.
Diary come out and call and say, Puss on walk away and everything. And the thing is, today, Keiko come with a different stir-up shit. And what them need to realize is, me don't want no friend from nobody, but me, I said this. Truth is truth. What she did this morning on Ms Blinga life is she went and take the thing to a whole different level. She tried to take it everywhere. Stop it. Stop it. Ms Blinga of our life, you never need for blood clot. Bring Puss over there, because Puss, they about her business and do her thing. When you go over there, instigate and drape up a woman for call Puss, to come talk about father molestation.
Wow.
It reached over Ms Blinga because Keiko go over there this morning and drape up Ms Blinga and tell her if he call Puss. And to come talk about our father molester, and she must have a way she feel about that, which is totally wrong. So all who under the page I come right up and I come talk about this and that and carrying and on wicked, and I must tell people when them wrong. When a person wrong, and I must say them wrong. And if Keiko have feelings about Puss, got chat to Puss about it half a life, allow the woman. And then me hear you partner life with the woman name, me I run up in your blood clot. You're too drunk, bro. Stop it.
Karen, I give you.
A big old woman. I come talk about the last time my blood clot check Keiko. Not one fat somebody me know not have no sickness. Me nice and rosy, and nobody in the world not have me pussy picture and me married. You hear me? I'm nice and rosy. When me look at you, me want you some blood clot, caramel porridge with the last or something in it. Move your blood clot. The woman left with the whole week, Puss not personal life. Yesterday, Puss catch up on internet live like mosquito on people kin. And she not personal life, you know. And she left, you know. And you go over Ms Blinga today with the woman name. This man drape up the woman. The woman have a good life to help people, and you go over there with Puss name.
Listen now, let's be fair. I'm gonna be fair. Puss dripped them 1 and 2 times last night. Puss did drip them 1 and 2 last night. You understand? But then there's a time and place for everything that was never to
no, listen what I'm saying. Listen, Puss never pressed her life.
Yeah,
Puss was on Anto's life.
She never pressed no life for them.
No, she never Anto life. She never pressed nobody life. I mean, I'm talking truth.
But no time them just get up and drip Puss and drop them more too. So you know what I mean? Like it's just vice versa.
I'm gonna get involved because Puss and Keiko are friends. But this morning she too wrong. She come on the woman live, Beppa Ms Bling live. With the Ms Bling live, I listen to something total different. And not even time for baga yet. Me just be that we're not even the brush. Not some people don't brush their teeth. Me brush teeth coming up. When I know me not even drink 1 cup of blood clot tea. This drunk will make gas. At 12:05 p.m. when me there now. It started from before 7 o'clock this morning. But I rub Keiko till I take off my blood clot clothes in my house. I rub Keiko, dirty drawers, rotten crutches, Keiko. She make me broke out to my blood clot. Sitting there, the shaving sitting where my razor for shave, where you shave with 1 razor, 2 razor, 3 razor, 4, 5 razor, 6 razor. I have some more. Dirty Keiko, go fucking razor out your crutches. Bored fat, me nice and fat bitch, and my man want me. That's why me not send me crutches to everybody. Fucking bitch. The woman over there have a life to help people, and you can draw Puss name, draw the blood clot girl name all the way from blood clot England where Puss catch up, all the way come to Miami. Bitch, you don't have nothing to do. You don't have no crutch. You don't have no. Your bathroom and toilet now wash out. A Friday morning. I rub blood clot Keiko. I rub Keiko till I reach over and all. I rub Keiko till all in that blood clot tub lay down. You drunk, yo. I come talk about it's on and popping with me and you. Keiko, me and you have no war. This morning it was principle. It was principle. It's called GP. General Blood Clot Principle. Your blood clot Puerto Rican, know you drunk yourself, drop in your dirty shell. Me don't know who the fuck I come give you, come give your blood clot, make you come think say you have blood clot, bullets for everybody, ammunition for Jamaica, and you have blood clot Puerto Rican, know you dry up blood clot self, and you look black top where you look like you need some blood clot food and soup, you need look a blood clot steamed fish, some doctor fish soup, bitch, you look dry out. About fat. You think you can fat shame me? Bitch, me nice and round and rose in a blood clot. Move your dirty self. You come run up in a Jamaican story, I come about you jump on the woman life with Puss name. And the banner in a Puss because me a rub. Oh, you looking friend from Puss. And you see him one way they did over people them like I can't talk about Puss shame me. Make Puss blood clot shame me. Jamaican shame Jamaican, yawa. Move your blood clot. We supposed to translate what you said to we. But because you're right one Jamaican dick, I think you're Jamaican. You're not Jamaican girl. You're not accepted. Move your blood clot. And nobody, when you can't say that, come try give Keiko strength. Keiko a blood clot demon. Oh, me see Keiko deal with Puss. Me wouldn't want Keiko to be not even 10 miles in the one blood clot Keiko live far from me. Because to all she blood clot Judas Puss, she had Judas every blood clot by the same way. And that me say. But I come here to woman because the woman love her pitney, the man grand pitney. Who the fuck Puss for love? Your pitney and grand pitney?
Alright.
Pressure them Barbie, me not read that in the me ear to this man. Yeah, I remember the episode of Son for that Son when he said the Puerto Rican bring the Puerto Rican cockroaches to Ireland. You know me now, brother. I know me traumatized. Because to all Keiko used to itch up on Puss blood clot live. Every morning blood clot before Puss brush her teeth a blood clot. Keiko show up like toothpaste. Show up to blood clot on the woman live. For the 2 years or however long blood clot Puss there at Jamaica, Keiko hitch up on the woman blood clot live every day. Let me tell you something. And she that come with her sweet speaking. Move your blood clot. I don't like Judas. You must show loyalty and that me I say. Me not buy out no blood clot war at all for those who say, oh, current too enough. Yes, me enough, but this morning's Keiko needed to be rubbed out. I was shooketh when the Keiko company woman live. And I call up Puss name, but call Puss. Call Puss. So Ms Blinga say, you're out of place. That's wrong. You shouldn't come with that. Oh, everybody have their opinion. What you going to do about it? You're too out of Keiko. I'm too enough. I'm bright. And I come on like say you know Jamaican more than blood clot with. Get it. Let me tell you this. Your flag, the flag where you represent, red, white, and blood clot blue. The flag where we represent, black, gold, and blood clot green. We will stamp you into nothingness, bitch. Know yourself. You must know yourself. You're ungrateful and you're disloyal and you're terrible. If you have something, me have friends when me and them fall out. You not carry them business for internet. You cuss them off and you face to face and you low it and you take up your phone. Be a so big people deal with things. I mean, I want nobody come say nothing to me. I that me say and I that me mean. You come call the blood clot. I go on the woman live. I go tell her to call Puss because Puss father molest her. Ah, Puss come tell me say her father molest her. You hypocrite. You Puss did a friend. You Puss did a more friend to blood clot than the word friend itself. I am still shook it. Say you Puss fall out. You ride and die for Puss. And all of a sudden now you come and you're the biggest blood clot enemy to Puss. Make in Jamaica them talk about Puss. Them know what them and Puss have. But everybody did see you. Already me hear you on your live attack and somebody type and I said, Keiko and Puss fell out. Some people still don't know. Girl, you must be loyal. And there are ways to go about it. And you just every day you come and I put one more nail in your blood clot coffin on the internet. People have you as the most disloyal person and the most Judas person. Because my grandmother said, teeth and tongue are going to meet. Teeth and tongue will meet. But how you act. Right, that's a mama. Me shock it too. We know that teeth and tongue are going to meet. But what you do? Every day you get up on the internet with the woman. Sometimes you feel back off because that was your friend. I mean, I care all of who I talk about, oh, Puss wicked and this and that. For years, when you itch up on that post, show me your friend and me tell you who you are. Puss wicked or no wicked? Puss is just, Keiko, you're just as wicked as Puss or even more so. Because Puss says she don't know where you and her did that war for. So if you didn't have a problem with your friend, you talk to your friend. And that me say, and GP. But when you do on internet, I try to run up in the people and collect them information to come dash it out. You don't have no loyalty in uno. Me say this morning, me have a shake up. Me don't know if you remember when we little and we clean house. All of Saturday morning time, we clean house. I want to shake out the mat and knock out the dust out time mat. And some have to knock out blood clot dust out Keiko this morning over Ms Blinga's. Ms Blinga's at the end of life because she couldn't take it. I wouldn't stop. I go straight. I talk till her horse. Because Keiko can't overtalk me. Keiko can't louder than me. And Keiko can't nothing more than blood clot me. Keiko is just an internet sensation where internet blood clot and Judas Iscariot in a 2022. That's what Keiko is. I'm not in a no war with you, Keiko, because I don't know you. All I know say this morning your blood clot rang like 2 left foot of shoes to come on the woman life. And all what chat and I go like, oh, Keiko is my friend. And Karen, Keiko gonna do the same thing to Uno. Because to all Keiko did itch up under blood clot, push like a Roland under arm. Me can't believe say Keiko reached a stage with Puss. If you have a problem with the lady, go to the lady. And that me say, go to the woman. You're the internet and spill the woman beans. Poor me nobody now. But I'm not afraid of Keiko. I'm not really afraid of nobody.